So I had a bad lungs and problem vocal like Katy Perry, first surrenders and first whatever. But the competition the versus vocal, whatever skill music industry, other from horrible dream. But it is the vocal assistant. You're so sick. So BBM Marcos and the meeting of international ASEAN Summit for Political War to controversial revolution relationship and economy. Such a dream out as a leader. You know what? Talk to me about what will happen this life in the Philippines is problem. So rot and everything you're stupid. Get it by your mind in never change. You're all busy. But maybe. But all you're busy, you're always devastated dirties. And before the president of Turkey. To all my vlogs, to about my money, hindi talaga titigil ang bunganga ko hanggat hindi kayo nagbabayad sa akin ng mana rams sa Philippines, America. You know, problem is, you know what? Kaya bumabagal ang ating TikTok apps for TV network, for company mobile phone as SIM card. And thank kasi itong mga affiliate people na to over acting to dito sa marketplace and whatever just TikTok na all apps. I don't have a problem, right? So it is showing to others what are you leaving money. The problem your country is a lot and business following the apps, trade, all gambling the word as scammer and illegal, hungry politics about this policy. And what you're doing in typical to me. Understood, you're a fucking hell CEO apps. TikTok, Meta, YouTube, and so on all na problematic. When I shop your Snapchat today as understand.
Ang taong nangakong managot sa utang ng iba ay kulang sa karunungan. Ang taong gusto ng kasalanan ay gusto rin ng kaguluhan. At ang taong mayabang ay naghahanap ng kapahamakan. Hindi uunlad ang taong baluktot ang pag-iisip. At ang taong sinungaling ay dadanas ng kasawian.
Hindi na nagpaligoy-ligoy pa si PBBM. Pinaringgan ng Pangulo ang Beijing sa ASEAN-China Summit sa Malaysia, kaugnay sa panggigipit nito sa ating soberanya. Ang detalye sa agenda report ni Elijah Bonzo.
Tahasang nagpahayag ng batikos si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos na nagpapatuloy na sigalot sa South China Sea sa harap mismo ni Chinese Premier Li Qiang. Sa kanyang talumpati sa 28th ASEAN-China Summit ngayong araw, binigyan diin ni PBBM ang kahalagahan ng self-restraint ng mga bansa kung nais talagang mapanatili ang peace, stability at prosperity sa rehiyon. Mariin ding kinundina ng Pangulo ang unilateral declarations of marine